Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're tackling how to use a virtual Visa card in 2025. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or want a safer way to shop online, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a virtual Visa card? It's a digital version of a traditional Visa card, generated through your bank's app or a financial service. In 2025, these cards come with enhanced security features like biometric authentication and real-time fraud alerts, making them a must-have for secure transactions. Step 1. Get your virtual Visa card. Log into your banking app or visit your provider's website. Most banks, like Chase or Capital One, offer this for free. Look for the Virtual Card section and follow the prompts to generate one. You'll need to link it to your existing account. Next, activate it. Once generated, you'll receive a temporary card number, expiration date, and CVV. Activate it through the app by verifying your identity, maybe with a fingerprint or a quick code sent to your phone. This step ensures only you can use it. Now, for the fun part, using it. Add your virtual card to digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Wallet. When you're ready to shop, select it as your payment method during checkout. For online purchases, simply enter the card details just like a physical card. In 2025, you'll also see features like one-time use numbers for extra security. Don't forget to monitor your account. Regularly check your transactions through the app to spot any unauthorized activity. Set up alerts for every purchase, and if something looks off, freeze the card instantly. A few pro tips. Always use a secure network for transactions, avoid sharing your card details via email, and keep your app updated for the latest 2025 enhancements. Virtual cards are great for subscriptions too, as you can easily regenerate them if needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering virtual Visa cards in 2025. It's convenient, secure, and perfect for our fast-paced world. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.